Hello and welcome to another episode of EMA Cloud Rants. Today with Jason Marques from Dell EMC. Jason, I want to talk about containers, right? Everybody wants to talk about containers. So last week at VMworld in Las Vegas, Dell, VMware actually, the daughter, announced a PKS, a Pivotal Kubo service, or Pivotal Container Service, as a lot of people like to call it. How does this fit into your world of native cloud VxRail turnkey and enterprise hybrid cloud turnkey, which is based on VRA? Where is PKS there?
Yeah, great question. So the PKS announcement really offers our customers a VMware-ready system that gets them a container as a service platform. Mm-hmm. For some customers, we have a portfolio of complete buy consumption model solutions, like our enterprise hybrid cloud, which is really an infrastructure as a service solution powered by the VMware vRealize suite and VxRail, as well as our native hybrid cloud solution, which is a turnkey platform as a service offering that's powered by Pivotal Cloud Foundry and VxRail. The PKS solution isn't part of our turnkey stack, other than the fact that it is going to be powered by VxRail, and we're going to actually start offering support in the future for rack scale HCI, our VxRack SDDC platform. So really, you're going to be getting the power of the Kubernetes container orchestration system running on top of a Pivotal Bosch installer, run on top of VMware-based infrastructure.
So in the next couple of weeks, when I want to order something that runs containers in Kubernetes, because that's what I've decided is the way I want to go with my strategy, my container strategy, what do I need to order explicitly as a product, and how does this arrive in my data center, and what do I afterwards have to do to configure it so that I can start offering containers as a service?
Great question. So the what we mean by ready systems, ready solutions within the Dell EMC portfolio, within our CPSD organization, is really, again, that mix of do-it-yourself versus buy consumption models. So what we've done within the PKS solution is offer that on top of a hyper-converged engineered system like VxRail, but then we look at the rest of the stack as being more of a do-it-yourself. We are, though, looking at PKS as being a validated solution stack where we've already done all of the testing of all those software components, and really it's the customer who then takes on the effort of ensuring that, hey, do I want to do the installation, or do I need professional services to do the installation for me? And then I'm looking at leveraging multi-vendor support as well as lifecycle management as being my responsibility as a customer. Whereas in the turnkey world, like an EHC or an NHC, we look at Dell EMC as taking single vendor support as well as lifecycle management for all of the hardware and software of those solution stacks themselves. So it's just a different consumption model, and really looking at leveraging the best of breed solutions like Kubernetes to offer a new category of stack, in which case we're talking about a container as a service level of abstraction.
So, but I cannot buy it right now as a PKS appliance, right? Today, as you said, it is a do-it-yourself value prop. So I buy a VxRail. It has vSphere already installed and pre-configured, and then I have to set up my container service do-it-yourself. That's what you're saying. So I save the NSX networking integration. I save the Active Directory. I save if I have ServiceNow, whatever I may have in my environment. I save these things, but what I don't save is the setting up of the actual service that I have to do myself.
Yeah, so it's kind of interesting because this announcement is so bleeding edge right now. It isn't available yet, so a lot of the details haven't been fully vetted as far as a lot of things like factory services, which may be something that is looked at to be included. Because certainly some of the Dell EMC ready solutions that we do offer, we certainly can automate or provide factory services so that we can get you to that day zero with the whole stack ready to go. It's just, where do you take it to day one and day two, where I may need to upgrade? At that point, it's kind of the customer's responsibility to then do the insurance that everything is supported and then doing the upgrades themselves. That's still being vetted out. Certainly there's going to be options of if the customer wants to do the installations on their own versus some of those things being part of the factory service. I think those things are still being decided on at the moment.
Thank you very much, Jason. This was another episode of EMA Cloud Rants.